Hey, so I'm in the garage. I'm about to get started on my workout for Saturday. I just want to make a statement to all of you out there. You can take the smoker out of the boy, but you can't take the boy out of the smoker. And what do I mean by that? So I smoked cigarettes for 15 years. I stopped in 2002, wrote a book about how I did it in 2010 called How to Stop Smoking Without Killing Anyone. Visit stopdon'tquit.com for more on that. But check this out. This is how deep a smoker goes. I got incense here that I like to light before I do my workouts because workouts are sacred to me. So I like to burn some incense while I'm training. So here's how I light. You ready for this? This is how I like to light my incense stick. See what I'm saying? You can take the smoker out of the boy, but you can't take the boy out of the smoker. You can take it however that goes, right? Once a smoker, always a smoker. Doesn't mean that you have to have cigarettes every single day. I haven't had a cigarette since 2022, but I still consider myself a smoker who doesn't smoke. If you want to become one of those, if you're struggling with addiction right now, especially to nicotine and cigarettes, read the book. StopDon'tQuit.com is the website. How to Stop Smoking Without Killing Anyone. Available over on Amazon and on Audible. So if you want to have me talk you through it, check it out. Thanks for watching.